Throughout the factory order process, you will work with a team of professionals that strive to deliver an exceptional experience. The first person you will meet is your order specialist. The order specialist will guide you through the steps of choosing your make, model, and trim. They will also help you configure your vehicle to your exact needs. They will explain the expectations of a factory order, answer any questions or concerns you may have, and then they'll place the order with our manufacturer. Throughout the build process, your order specialist will be your main point of contact for updates, tracking, or any other questions. All of this is done remotely, at your convenience. Next up is our sales manager. The sales manager will reach out to you once they see your vehicle has made it to the final rail location. They'll review the plan for the deal and introduce you to our business and logistics teams. The sales manager is on site at Mark Dodge. It can assist in verifying your condition and status of your vehicle. Your business manager will set up a time to meet with you virtually and finalize all of the remaining components of the purchase. Our delivery specialists work on site at the dealership, performing pre-delivery inspections and setting the vehicle up for your use. Once the vehicle is ready to go and the vehicle is owned and insured by you, the logistics team will assist in getting the vehicle to your driveway. And like with every step of our process, please reach out with any questions at any time. It is our pleasure to serve you.